Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. I am really excited that you're here with me today as we get to open box number 19 of our Advent calendar. Today is December the 19th and we are going to open up the box for 19. There it is. And we're going to see what's inside. So here we have, it looks like a big apartment building maybe, I'm guessing. But let's open this up and see what's in here. Now, if I would hazard a guess, I'm going to say that it's going to be some sort of a marker again. Ooh, okay, so we have already opened some of these. We had a black and a, black and what color? I thought it was a blue, maybe. Anyways, here we have a beautiful, looks like a royal blue and a red. And can you see there's liquid in there. So these are, the brand is HANABC, 0.5 millimeter tip, and again, the red and the blue. So let's grab our trusty little pad of paper and see how they write. Get them going here. There we go. They've been sitting for a while, so it takes them a minute to get going. But I also don't know which way I think they were this way in the box, so. I really like these. These are very pretty colors. So there we go. So these will be nice additions as well. So I think these would be kind of neat. I'm just gonna grab the other two, hold on. Yes, so in the first one of the ones we opened, there was a blue and a black. And now we have the same blue and a red. Yeah, it's the same blue. But that's okay, it's okay. So these will be great for doodling. So in our little book that I was talking about, that we could use different types of markers and stuff in there. These would be really good for writing or for really small items because the ink on it is very, because of the 0.5 millimeter tip on these, it's quite a small area that it's covering. So you could actually do some pen drawings basically. In this case, they would be ink drawings. So you know what, again, very, very fun little things to add to our craft room, to our stash. And it's gonna be exciting when we get to the very end and we do one big picture or something with all of the markers and stuff that we're getting. Who knows? Maybe we'll do that, maybe we won't. But, so let's put this back in here. So December the 19th, we only have 5 more days because the calendar only is 24 days. So it will end on Christmas Eve. So we are gonna add these two to our collection and I will see you back here tomorrow for day number 20 and opening box number 20. Thank you again and happy crafting.